Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing an accessory kit from Vena. They are designed in Minnesota, and we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max glass screen install kit. So here's the glass. There you go. Nice coverage right there. The earpiece right there. And it has 9H hardness, and it comes with a screen protector accessory install kit, and it comes with this alignment piece right here for your phone screen. So easy install right there. And then we have the sync and charge cable, USB-C to lightning cable. This is braided. So here's your lightning end, your USB-C, and it's for fast charging your iPhone 14 Pro Max all the way down to your iPhone 8. And then we have the magnetic MagSafe enabled, compatible, however you want to put it, wallet. So this attaches to the outside of your iPhone 14 Pro Max, as well as others that have the MagSafe magnets. And then you can actually use it, like in the picture, in landscape mode. So that adds a kickstand-like feature and a wallet to your iPhone 14 Pro Max or MagSafe series iPhone. Pretty easy accessory to use right there, and keep your cards and wallet safe. Also, so you have the wallet that's magnetic, you have the sync and charge cable that has fast charging capabilities, and you have the easy to install glass kit. This piece, the glass, and then the piece that goes over your phone to install the glass. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.